How to convert USDC to USDT on Bitget. In order to do it, open your Bitget exchange and then log in into your account. Afterwards, on the home page, tap on the More option, and in the More services, among the given options, you need to tap on Convert. After tapping on the Convert option, you will be landed on the conversion page, where in the From section, you need to tap on the drop down menu and you need to use the search bar and search for USDC. Once you are able to find USDC, you need to simply tap on it, then select the To option, and over here in the To section, you need to simply search for USDT. Now once it is selected as from USDC to USDT, you need to enter the amount of USDC that you want to convert into USDT. After that, it will show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you will get. All in all, both of these are same. So tap on the preview option and it will show you all of the information relating to this conversion. So you will have 10 seconds in order to complete this conversion, so you need to simply complete it. Then you will be able to get your USDT, which you can view by tapping on the Assets tab on the home page of your Bitget account. So that was it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.